DJM TV.
The time for the Igbos to produce Nigerian president, it don't reach. My sabilicious person, how your side? I greet you this special edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and the time where you take see this video. This na DJM TV Daily News Update. And I beg, if this is not the first time where you see any of our videos, make you don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this ogbonge channel. You understand the matter now? So the matter wey we carry come, so the news wey dey play for inside Nigeria be say campaigners for Nigerian president wey come together come form one body. Let us say the time wey be like say the president go come from the southeast zone na 2023, and e good make everybody begin dey rally round the southeastern Nigeria so that presidency go fit come from that side. Now the coalition wey they call Coalition of Southeastern Presidency 2023 don urge all those people wey be like say that they wan align for the office, say make dem queue up behind the Igbo aspirants dem so that they go help them to continue to dey mobilize, to sensitize everybody until every zone accept say e don reach the turn of southeast to rule the country after Oga Buhari. Now members of this coalition now Southeast for Presidency 2023, C4 2023, Igbo National Union, Pan-Nigerian Presidency of Igbo Extraction, Ohaneze Youth Council, and Coalition for All Nigerian Support Groups. They don't talk say any Igbo man or woman wey no wan accept to play second fiddle to any politician outside the geopolitical zone of southeast, they will resist that person, and they stress say anything other than the #1 position for the country, e no dey acceptable to the southeastern part of Nigeria. That's to say them as Igbos don ready to produce Nigerian president come 2023. Well, make we see some of these people when e be like say now that they project say okay, out of these people them, one of them now will go queue up behind. So far they decide to contest. So firstly we'll talk about Oga Peter Obi. In a one person when he contests as Oga Atiku Abubakar vice for the last general elections, and currently he dey as one of the possible presidential candidates when the Indigbos go fit produce, wey go fit move the country forward for the 2023 presidential race. They pull up say this guy go fit do something. And then next on the list we get Ike Ekweremadu, wey be the Enugu born lawyer wey serve for Senate one time as the deputy Senate president for 3 consecutive times. This guy na PDP o. Some people say he not possess network, he no get network. They say although he no possess the political network, wey fit inspire for that presidential aura, but he dey up on the list as one of the people, the possible politicians from the southeast wey go fit come forward to come and say okay, my people, una rally around me, I like to contest as president of Nigeria. Also we get Ogbonna Onu. He no be newcomer for this game. The guy don dey do shit for a very long time. You know say, in fact, when it comes to this business of presidential struggle, the guy don dey struggle to be president for a while now. Now Ebonyi State, now he from come, and now he be the party flag bearer of the APP for 1999. Although he call last step down from one guy wey they call Olu, but he na one of the son of the soil, the way people they call am, wey go fit come out to stand say my people wanna support me, because he don dey for the mainstream of national politics for many years. You get the gist. The guy don dey struggle for a very long time, since 1999. Now they also to become Nigerian president. Then the next guy what we get, I want very popular somebody, like say everybody know the somebody. Mark call the name. They never know the guy name. We get Rochas Okorocha. Rochas Okorocha na the former governor for Imo State. Dat guy now as e dey now so many wahala na e don dey face now based on say based on one or two now, you know dat time say dey seal the hotel, dey do dis one, dey do dat one. In fact, im dey very experienced, e get experience of dis presidential tussle. Na APC im dey before now and im don contest for presidency for several occasions, and despite all the many wahala wey dem dey give am, e still dey stand tall as one Igbo presidential hopeful aspirant wey be like say Igbo people go feel say yes, na dis guy dey wan come out. You understand? Na very very solid guy when e come to politics. Next on our list na one woman wey dey shake everywhere. Dat woman mama dey shake everywhere o. Mama no wan hear. Na be the person of the former education minister for Nigeria, Oby Ezekwesili, the DG of Bring Back Our Girls. She na one woman wey be like say she dey very notable and she dey very credible. She don leave mark for dis country like say people can never forget in a hurry. You can't talk about Nigeria so you no talk about Oby Ezekwesili. You know say she don first contest for dis presidential stuff. She don first contest now. Although she been step down, she got step down, say okay, let's step down for somebody to do it. We will get it right next time. She dey fearless, she dey outspoken, and na dis her fearless and outspoken nature so and dey make her dey very notable. She be the former vice president of the World Bank of Africa side, Africa section for World Bank. Na she be the former vice president, and like I talked before, she get experience for this matter. You get the gist now. So we move on to our next person now. One guy wey don first contest before for the Youth Progressive Party wey dey call Kingsley Moghalu. Kingsley Moghalu na the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. This guy contest under the Young Progressive Party. A young guy, as a youth, and he na professor for international business and public policy. And this thing with a wealth of experience go make am one tangible candidate for this presidency from the southeastern part of Nigeria, based on the guy get knowledge of some kind of matter wey go fit help the economy of this country. Because once we say this country we need somebody like say go fit come help the economy sector and help the security sector as well. You understand? So this guy, he dey very tangible. Now the next person na one guy wey just recently port from PDP to APC, sake of say him talk say e don reach time like say Igbo go take come as president of Nigeria come 2023. Sometimes when you go fit answer the question, you go fit say no, I not do. This guy name na David Umahi, and na him be the current governor of Ebonyi State. Now another person will be like say Igbos go fit say okay, this guy go fit accomplish the Igbo presidential dream called 2023, because he don even start the campaign and say e don reach time like say Igbos go come out as president of this country. The guy that they talk and I make a pot. He say PDP structure no go allow Igbo to be next president. So as such, if they go where it be like say na Igbos na go be the next for that place, and that place is say na APC. We wish am luck. We hope say the Igbos fit still rally around this guy. Next on our list, now one-time governor of the CBN, Central Bank of Nigeria, where they very active politically, but for some time now, the guy just quiet. Nobody dey know wetin dey happen about this guy. His name na Oga Charles Soludo. Yeah, you know that guy now. Hey, you don't remember? So despite the fact that he dey silent politically lately, and the wahala when they go through politically, this former Central Bank of Nigerian governor, now one political mind they be like say we no go fit overlook when we talk about those wey go fit contest of presidency from the southeastern zone of Nigeria. This guy don control Nigerian money before. He don control the bank for years, and he, at least to a very large extent, will say he get experience. You understand? Him be wan come out at one certain time, but you know now they give her wahala, they give her stress. And you say bros not get time for all those kind of stress. So, but we just hope say himself will fit contest. The next person we get here, we'll talk about those who go fit contest for Igbo presidency. Now, Emeka Ihe Dey Hot, the former Deputy Speaker, House of Representatives, Nigeria, and the former governor of Imo State, one guy wey win election, be like say court throw away and comot for seat. You understand that matter? Now, another Igbo man wey go fit run for presidency, he get experience on national level, for state level. The guy get experience. He don dey House of Rep for a long time. So he know wetin dey sup. He know the nitty gritty. Hey, I don speak Oyibo. He know the corner there for inside Nigerian presidential politics. So this another guy wey be like say go fit, come out as president of this country from the southeastern zone of Nigeria. Yes, next on our list na Chris Ngige. I think the name ring bell. Bakam, you know the man. Two-time Minister for Works and Employment. One of the big leaders of the All Progressive Congress for southeastern part of Nigeria. Former governor of Anambra State. Former senator wey represent Anambra Central constituency for 2011. Currently, he na one of the senior cabinet member and ally of Oga Bubu. And we dey look at say some people go don tip and go give and say, Oga, why you not take a shot at the presidency? We will look at your vast experience. See all the experience when I call for una so. 2 times this, 1 time this, 1 time, that's what they talk at with this school. 1 time governor, 1 time senator, 2 time minister of works. So this na one guy we feel say go fit contest for presidency. But the ultimate question now be say, we don show now some of the top political people wey come from the southeastern zone of Nigeria. But what we want ask now be say, the southeastern part of Nigeria, they don ready. They say house where they divided against itself, no go fit stand though. Them don ready for this presidency where they want pursue. Abi they just dey talk am for mouth, say na our turn, our turn, our turn. They don ready. If all of them, we just believe if all of them put their heads together, Igbos go fit produce the next president. It is very possible. But these few days where the akamuka between them, we go dey suspect some kind element of Oyibo. Now they put confusion for inside their midst so that they go lose focus on the 2023 presidential election. So people go say, this election is still far now. We're able to say it's far. Now since 1999, now the Igbos all they cry. Say when they give the opportunity to produce president. You understand? And the failure to realize the dream so far, they don't blame them on the marginalization for the scheme of national affairs. So that they hope say once Oga Bubu complete in tenure by 2023, Igbos now go take over as president for the very first time since 1999. You say still chook mouth for the matter. You sure say they go fit produce president for this country as it be like this now so? Or what do you think? Well, this is still DJM TV Daily News Update, and I still be your girl and your sister Lawo Favor, where they bring you the news. So I beg, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also follow us on all our social media platforms. Don't forget that if you see place your adverts with us, contact us and we will give you guidelines on how to place your advert with us across all social media platforms. Well, from me to you, una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.